Okay, figured I would do a quick video on this front air suspension off a 2013 Cayenne S. I've done other videos that show how to take them apart and do the rebuild with the O-rings, and on this particular one, I did a pressure test with my air compressor and found out that the airbag itself is leaking on this one. So I had to take the lower strut assembly out and just wanted to show everybody what that looked like. So typically, this part is the strut. This is a air damper inside here. This is the airbag here. You can actually pull this out and you can see there's the airbag assembly. And so this part right here is all sealed, and when you pressurize it, it tends to expand. Anyway, this part goes inside of here. I'm not going to put it in there right now, but the strut goes inside there. There's O-rings here. There's actually just one O-ring. There's 3 grooves with just one O-ring. There's this kind of bumper here, or it maybe kind of helps it ride in the right position. That goes inside of here. So this is just a machined aluminum, and that's what seals up against that O-ring right there. This bar rod goes inside there and comes out over here. So you've got the part with the O-ring that comes out there, and I've shown you that before. That goes to the rubber strut mount. But anyway, mine was, again, this air boot in here is got, I don't know, somehow it's leaking somewhere. It's leaking where it either clamps up here or clamps inside there, or the whole thing leaks. I've sprayed soapy water on it and kind of covered this end with my hand, and then shot air in there, and I can just hear it coming out of the air boot area, and it's making a whole bunch of bubbles kind of everywhere. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but it seems like a pretty big problem. I've heard that they're pretty rugged and they don't do that very much, so I'm not sure what's going on with mine, but I'm gonna get a replacement. Obviously this boot goes over here and it kind of goes on there. But anyway, in case you wanted to see what it looks like on the inside of there, that's what it looks like.